Global citizen, how are you? You are most welcome. What a good way of ending the year. With the music, with the energy, with optimism. And picking on the theme of health, health is a precious asset. Africa can address most of its challenges. I want to dedicate this moment the community health workers who keep us healthy and safe. And Africa has organized around health. Countries dedicated 15% of their national budgets, and I'm happy to be the health financing champion for the African Union. There are many things we can address together. Working together, our continent stands strong and can address most of our challenges. We are looking forward to hosting global citizens every year. Here in Kagame, through Move Africa. So we are looking forward to working with everyone. We hope you feel at home, all of you. And we hope to see you again in the near future. All the best, and wish you Happy Christmas, Happy New Year, and see one another very soon. All the best to you.